This is TWiT.
Thank God they replaced the remote. Although you wrote a piece, Dwight, defending that crappy, the worst remote ever made, the Apple TV Siri Remote. Tell me.
Here's why. So here's why. The naked Apple remote, which I have here, is pretty bad on its own, mainly because the top part and the bottom part feel the same when you pick it up.
But
most people pick it up and
one's going to do something if you touch it.
Right. But almost from day one, mainly because I understood it was as glass on the surface of this, and I was worried about it breaking, I ordered this thing that's a case for the remote.
Oh.
And not only does it protect it, but the case changes the feel of it. So this is rubber, this is silicone, there's the touchpad. It has a lanyard, which makes it difficult to lose. And when I get one of my 4 AirTags, I'm going to put it on this lanyard so that I will have AirTags on my remote.
Oh, you are smart.
It's much better. Because of the silicone, it's easier to hold it in the right orientation so that when you use your thumb on it, your tracking is more accurate.
It is.
And if you go
the case,
if you go in. Yes,
if a remote's only good because you bought an $8 silicone sheath, then there's something wrong with it.
It fixes the problems and actually makes it a good remote.
I'm going to buy 3 of these right now because even if I get a new Apple TV, I still have plenty of those.
I use a rubber band.
A rubber band would do it. Yeah, they're smart. Yeah,
I'm still going to buy the new remote because it has a mute button. The case doesn't come with a mute button.
Oh, there's a lot of benefits. It also has the new remote does put the Siri button on the side because I tell you half the time I'll hit the remote and the Siri will say, "Yeah, what? So this is, by the way, from Malago, which makes so many great little silicone devices, including my little iMac that I put my watch in to charge it at night. So I have a little...
Yeah, when I got this, again, it was to protect it. And I was reading all these things, people complaining about the remote. And I was going, what are they complaining about? And then I realized I started using it without the case, and I realized what the complaints were about. This case fixes probably most people's complaints.